So you are back for another video. Today we have the 8bitdo Pro 2 Bluetooth gamepad wireless controller. It works on other system and devices. You got the Raspberry, Steam, Mac OS, Android, Windows, and of course your Switch. Mappable and customizable buttons, adjustable vibration and sensitivity. Choose between 4 colors and design. Now we got it for $59.99. I will put a link down below. Here's your barcode or serial number. So let's hurry it up. What's inside the box is you have these 2 grips for your thumbsticks. That's nice. Instruction manual. USB-A, USB-C cables. Then we have our translucent matte controller. Let's go ahead and take out this little plastic to protect the buttons from scratching. So you have a glossy buttons. I actually do like this better than having the same texture as this. I feel like there's a little bit more grip. What do you guys think? That's how much it presses. You have the soft select start button, D-pad, nice good feedback. Analog thumbsticks with more grip on the corners or edges. Feels smooth. LR shoulder buttons. Analog L2 and R2 trigger buttons. And your P1 and your P2. To get to the battery, pull up. Take the door off, use your fingers, take it off. Now this is a 1000 milliamp battery, or you can swap it out with 2 AA's. Putting this back, you don't have to worry about it which way it goes because you have that little tab. There's only one way you could put it. It locks it in that place. Let's just say you put it in incorrectly, you won't be able to even do it because that thing will get in the way, the plastic. 4 letters on the mode switch. You got S for switch, A for Mac OS, D for Android, and X for Windows. On the top, you got the power LED light, pair, and this is where you want to plug your USB-C cables. Profile button, then you got 3 LEDs on the top, also the status LED at the bottom. Here at the bottom of the pad, you got the start and home button. Now, this is a question I want to ask you guys. Have you guys ever encountered where you're playing and you accidentally press the buttons? I mean, it's pretty flush, but I feel like this would have been better if it's located elsewhere. What do you guys think? I think there's a slight chance that you might accidentally press it by pressing the B button. This has more of a retro style look, kind of like the SNES, of course, with your thumbsticks and your grip at the bottom. The face side's a little bit more smooth. Now on the back side, you can see this pattern here. It gives you a little bit more of that grip. I have your average size hand here. Now this is all preference. Feels good on the hand. It's just right. Not too big. Not small either. Is it heavy or light? That all depends on the person. We compare it to our Joy-Con since everybody has this. This one weighs 196 grams. 8bitdo 230. So it's heavier than your Joy-Cons. It's a little bit wider. And it's about the same height. You get a little bit more of an angle grip. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on our OLED Switch. Let's check out the grips. A little tricky to put on. This one offers way more grip if you guys like that. Also makes it a little bit thicker. Just an FYI, this won't be able to turn on the switch, so let's go ahead and do it manually. Put the mode switch to S. Press start button for 3 seconds. Once you have the LED indicator going left to right, press the pair button up here. So once you connect your control, you don't have to press the pair button. All you gotta do is click start. And you're connected. Now I doubt there's gonna be any drift on this controller or the stick since it's brand new, but let's just show you guys anyways. Up, down, all around, no problem. The other stick, up, down, all around. Let's go to their website just to show you guys real quick if you want to just map it or just a trigger sensitivity, do macros or change the vibration. Go to their ultimate software, pick your controllers, click your software. We're using a Mac. Connect your controller with your cable, connect it to your laptop. Go ahead and update it. Click switch, or depending on what you use. Now for the Mario game, B is your jump. Let's just say you want the X to be the jump. So you go over here, your X button, and you want that to be a B. There's a blue line here just to confirm it. And then go ahead and sync to your controller. Click that. Press load to profile. Press that button. And go ahead and click OK. And you got that light. Now you're good. Let's do the sensitivity for the sticks. Click here. To adjust it, just go left or right depending on you. Let's just go right here just to show you guys. So now it's been changed. So if I just adjust this a little bit, I'm already at 100%. From there to there, it's already 100 compared to having it all the way out here. Same thing for the right stick. You just drag it all the way down. If you want to switch this D-pad, you want to make it go to the stick, just click this button here. Now if I click this, it goes on the sticks. If you want to swap the right stick and trigger button, now if you click this. And if you just want to start over from scratch, you just go ahead and click the reset button. Adjusting the trigger sensitivity, so you can see when I press all the way down here, it's all the way at the bottom. You push it all the way here, so you need to go all the way this much for it to trigger. Compared if you have it all the way max. It's a slight touch, it's already lighting up. And then you can sync it to the controller as well. And if you just want to swap the triggers, click that. So when I press this one, it should be an opposite. So for the vibration, the two motors are down here. It's level 5, 4, lowest setting, and none. So that's pretty cool that you can see it since it's a translucent controller. See how it's spinning? It's pretty cool. You should see the right. To none. Now we just noticed is the vibration on the right and left, there is a difference. The left is stronger than the right. The one on the left has a bigger weight compared to the right. Smaller weight or smaller wheel. Just do a quick macros real quick. This is just if you want to do a function for your character. Let's just do it for the Y button. So click this. Click Y. Okay, what you want it to do is we want it to jump on Mario. So it's going to be B, the L2 trigger button. So we can do the stomp. So you want that, and then L2. The add. So now you got the jump and the L2. And then enter that. That's for your Y button. Now let's go ahead and sync it to the controller. Press this to load. Now for the macros, when you press the Y button, it should jump and stomp. Instead of doing this. Also, there's a LED light that's been programmed, you could tell. To do the turbo function, now I'm not sure why they didn't include this for the switch mode. See, it doesn't work for the switch mode. So I went to our laptop here. So if I'm pressing B to jump, it's just gonna do it one time. When you use that turbo, go ahead and press that B button. Press the star button. You have that light showing. Now once you press it, you just keep jumping. Now to turn it off, press it again. Press the star. Just want to see if there's a slight delay. As you can see, they're pretty much at the same time with the Switch controller and the wireless. It's good. Also has gyro control. Feels good on the hand. It is responsive. Let me just go eliminate Mario real quick. Got him. So that's your 8bitdo Pro 2 Bluetooth wireless controller. Inside you have the manual, you have the USB-A and USB-C cables, your grips, mappable and customizable buttons, adjustable vibration and sensitivity. We got it for around $59. Put a link down below. Thank you for watching. So let's hurry it up to another video.